Howdy, how's it going? Welcome back, or howdy if you're new. Today is going to be a completely different video, and that's only because I saw this Reddit post right here, and it caught my eye. I know the RTX 5090 has been announced, and a lot of people are already trying to pick up the last generation because they're like, oh, now's my time for a deal. Everybody's going to be selling their 4090s for a bargain. I'm going to pick up a deal on eBay or Facebook or whatever. I'm going to tell you right now, I have already seen dozens and dozens and dozens of people get scammed just in the past few days. So if you are thinking about picking up RTX 4090 or any used graphics card, you need to watch this video before you go out and buy anything. And if you already have bought anything, you need to watch this also so you can act now to go ahead and get eBay involved or whoever you bought it from involved, because you need to work on getting your money back as soon as possible. There are some decent deals out there. There are some decent sellers, but I'm going to show you a huge operation that I believe I have just uncovered that seems to be scamming a lot of people, and there is a very clear pattern that is happening with them. So let's go ahead and roll the footage, and I'm going to show you exactly what's going on. All right, so this is the post that caught my eye today. It says, fingers crossed this doesn't get lost in transit. Well, I hate to break the news to you, buddy. You're not going to get anything. If you do, it's going to be an empty box. There's not going to be anything in it. I'm going to tell you one reason I know right off the bat. If you look right here at the seller, there is a 0 feedback score over here to the right of it. Nothing is there. That's not even the worst part. You see this background right here, this little blue backdrop? Look at the price. I mean, come on, you should just know better right there off the bat. So let's open up that listing from that particular seller, and it is a sold listing. You can see that that person paid on Friday. What else is standing out about it? It's located in China. Well, not sure if you know or not, but the 4090 is banned in China. I don't even know if they're allowed to have it, but it's definitely banned in China, basically. I don't know the exact laws. There's one red flag, okay? Let's look at the second red flag, okay? Let's pull up the seller's account right here. One item sold. But here's where the pattern starts. Do you see all the jewelry that they're selling? The fake Chinese jade lookalike jewelry? Well, let's look at some more sellers, and we're going to keep seeing this pattern on some of them. I think it could be the same user, a lot of the same items. But let's look at one of the other things I noticed. This blue backdrop right here. So let's go to another one. Completely different seller, same blue backdrop, same wrinkle at the top, stolen pictures. That's one of the things that happens with the eBay scammers. Also located in, once again, China. Not saying all Chinese sellers are bad, but as an American, if you're buying a GPU, you really should buy from your own country, because if something happens to it in transit, yeah, that's going to be really hard to get back. Stuff can get tied up with transit, and eBay is not always your friend. But let's look at this. 6 sold. Another red flag. A lot of these scammers have been doing this same tactic with Steam Decks and a lot of other devices, and they'll list multiples of one. But how can you have this, like 6 of them, and you're a brand new seller? That's just red flag after red flag after red flag. So let's also look at the seller's other items. What do they have? Jewelry. Really sus, huh? Really, really sus. So here's what you really should be doing. If you're looking for a GPU on eBay, I'm going to show you the quickest way to find out if it's legit or not. So let's type in RTX 4090 Strix. We'll hit enter. Now look, over here, see 18. That means he's had 18 transactions and he's got 100% feedback. It doesn't guarantee he's legit, but it's leaning more towards it. Coming down here, 190 deals at 100%. That's more likely a legit seller right here. But if we look right here, yet again, Hong Kong, China, 0%, 0%. These guys have the same background and they all have 0%. What are the odds that they also are selling jewelry as well? Wow. What do you know? They're all selling jewelry. Sellers of their items. This is a different seller, all selling jewelry. This, I believe, is the exact same person making multiple accounts, and they are scamming you. You guys should check this out. This is another scam that's going on because these graphics cards are banned in China. People are selling just the dies themselves to China, and they are going for a lot of money. So you might even buy a graphics card that you hold in your hand, but it doesn't have the die in it, because the die itself can sell for $1,700 sometimes on AliExpress. So these graphics cards are not $900 right now. Do not get it twisted. These things are still selling from legitimate sellers for way more. Now, if you look right here, this person is going to get screwed. I can guarantee you. This is a bid. There's 38 bids on it, so there's quite a bunch of people with 0 brain cells bidding on this item, but the generic description lets me know they just copied and pasted that or used some type of AI to put that in there. Let's look at the seller's account. Nothing here. Nothing's ever been sold. Now, if you want to pull up somebody's account right here, you can scroll down to where it says sold items, and you can look and see if they've ever sold anything before. So let's go back to some of these other ones, and we'll hit sold items. And what do you know? They've sold another GPU. So you can go and look at a lot of these people and just truly scrutinize. Here's my theory on what's going on. I think there's a new loophole with eBay where people are able to pull out their money. And it used to be where eBay would hold your money for a certain amount of days if you're a new account. I think something's changed. There's got to be a loophole, because people aren't going to waste their time as a scammer. When that was pretty much in full force, when they changed a lot of that, you saw scamming drop to nearly 0. But now that there seems to be a new loophole, it's wide open season for all different types of devices, and it's not just with GPUs. Oh, another one that I found that was a really interesting picture that keeps getting reposted a lot. Let me see if I can find it. This, look at this, 0%. See the peace sign right here? And look at the seller's account, Radona-45. Okay, let's open up theirs. Let's see if we notice anything else sus about it. So just a couple of photos, 2 stock photos. Nothing really like strikes out about the photos. That would make me think it's probably legit, to be honest. And then if you look and click their seller account, 7 items sold, 1 follower. Okay, so they created it in February 2022. 000 buyer. So no seller feedback. They've only got buyer feedback from over 2 years ago. So this could be someone who stole this account, but maybe not. Maybe this is a legit seller. Maybe this is the original seller who sold this GPU for $1,500. Okay, but keep these pictures in mind real quick. Just keep those in mind. So Radona-45. There we go. Another one. So that's kind of sus, my brother. Do you have 2 of these? Maybe, because I mean, look, he sold 2 of those. That's the second one right there. January 10th. January 8th. So he sold 2 4090s 2 days apart with the same peace sign with 2 fingers, okay? And then, oh, maybe it was more than 2. Here's another one and another one. There was more, but you see where I'm getting at, okay? That's sus. You don't have that many 4090s, especially just on a brand new account. That would be something like you would see Newegg doing, or some big account that might have a lot of feedback. Now, this would probably be a legitimate seller right here. Well, that one definitely not, but somebody just got hosed. But there's so many of them that you can dig through like that. I guarantee you, this guy right here, I guarantee you with certainty, this person probably did not get scammed right there. Look at that. This person has, look at that, other electronics items for sale, legitimate pictures, the same background. This person is a legit seller. I'd put my name on that one right there. That's definitely legit. So I would trust that. That's how you can find a legitimate seller right there. Look, 1,300 items sold, 32 followers. So obviously people want to follow his stuff. 100% positive feedback. And then you can go over and look at 0 neutral, 0 negative, accurate description, reasonable shipping cost. That is what I like to see. This is a legit seller right here. First one we've seen out of the bunch that really just stood out to me. I don't know this guy, but I hope whoever bought that is enjoying that GPU, because that's actually a pretty legit deal. So look, guys, I think you need to be extremely, extremely careful when you're buying a GPU. This is not a new scam. There has been really similar things happening before, but this pattern is brand new. I've never seen this pattern before, where they're using these jewelry selling accounts and they're selling all the jewelry. That's just weird. I don't know what that's all about. The Buddha and stuff. I mean, look, I think these are cool pieces, but you don't normally see a jewelry salesperson selling a 4090, and especially multiple jewelry salespersons. So, all right, well, look, let me know if this was helpful. Like I said, I'll drop a couple videos below that expose a few other scams. There's one where they're stealing the GPU dies out, and they're putting them all back together. They're even putting the warranty stickers back on these things. There's people who can reseal these boxes, by the way, with the factory tape and all. So you could buy this thing, and it could be sealed, but it could also not have anything inside of it. Like, they could reseal this stuff so easily. That is something that is really scary to me. And even though eBay will give you that money back guarantee right here, here's the problem with that. If it's shipping from another country, you have to give it ample time to ship before you get your refund processed, before you can even file a claim. So if it says the delivery date is going to be between this and this, you won't even be able to file that claim until February 14th. So it says greater than 16 days. By that time, I guarantee you they could cash out their money. Because with eBay, they only hold it for up to like 7 days usually. So that's probably why we're seeing so many of the Chinese ones, is they're actually pushing this date out so they can get their money back pulled out of here really quickly. So be careful, guys. There's a lot of scams out there. A lot of people are getting yanked left and right. Obviously, we've seen the sold listings. You know, all of these right here, I've shown you. Look at that. When it's in green right here, that's sold listing. Every single one of these is sold. Did that by searching right here where it says completed and sold listings. So look, somebody paid $200 for a display box only. That's, man, somebody just was probably half asleep when they bought that. That's sad. Guys, use your noodle, use your brain, stop doing this stuff. All right, well, hang tight. We've got a lot more coming. I'm going to be working on the joystick video to show you guys the ghillie kit video. I'm going to show you some other tutorials and hardware mods, but look, please stay tuned. Until next one, I hope you have a good afternoon, good evening, or good night.